Heidi Long, the Olympic medalist, is ready to lead the Oxford women in the Chanel J12 Boat Race. Imagine a morning off for an Olympic athlete, a rare luxury. But for Heidi, it's all about productivity. With gold medals from the European and World Rowing Championships and a bronze from the 2024 Paris Olympics, her achievements are impressive. But she's not just a champion on the water, she's also pursuing a Master S in Women's and Reproductive Health at Oxford. This weekend, all eyes will be on her as she aims for a boat race victory. Will she add another win to her list of accomplishments? This is not just a race, it's a testament to dedication and excellence.